Uttishta Bharatah. You all are welcomed to my channel TM Wikipedia, and we are going to discuss here Bihar special, and this is special for which exam? The exam name is BPSC 17th pre-exams. Okay, it is very important. So now I am going to start the topic. Bihar's leading literature, and the first man is Ramdhari Singh Dinkar. He was born in Munger district of Bihar and was known as the revolutionary poet before independence. As we know, on 15 August 1947, we just gained the freedom from Britishers. So before that era, he was known as revolutionary poet. After independence, he was known as national poet. So just after the independence, he was considered as the national poet. Do you know what was the day when we got freedom? Yes, it was Friday. Friday was the day when we just gain our freedom from British Empire. Here some works from national poet. It was Kurukshetra, Rasmirathi, Hunkar, Renuka, हरे को हरिनाम, उर्वशी, परशुराम की प्रतिज्ञा and संस्कृत के 4 अध्याय are his main works. In Rasmirathi, he writes about Angraj Karna. In Mahabharata epic, a huge role of Karna, and he was very important man, a people in the battle of what? It was the Mahabharata war. Then the next man is Chandreswar Thakur. Here the next man, Chandreswar Thakur, was the author of Rajniti Ratnakar. So here the book name is Rajniti Ratnakar, and the man, one who write the book, he was Chandreswar Thakur. Next is Jyotireshwar Thakur. Jyotireshwar Thakur composed Varna Ratnakar in 1324 AD. So in 1324 AD, he writes Varna Ratnakar, which is the first book of Maithili. So in Maithili language, he writes about the first book. Just a minute. I have a call, so I have to receive this call. Well, so the next is Abdus Salam is a translator of the 18th century work Riyajus Salatin. The name is Abdus Salam, and he was a translator. In 18th century, he translated the book, and the work name is Riyajus Salatin. The next is here Mullu Taqiya's work. Mulaj Taqiya's work Bayaz is an important reliable source of study of the history of North Bihar. So we come across the knowledge of Northern Bihar. So here we just get a very important reliable book, that is Mulla Taqiya's work. What is it? Bayaz. Okay. The next is Riz Ullah. Yes, here, just a second. It is Riz Ullah Mustaki, and he wrote in his work Waqiyat-e Mustaki Hussain Farmuli. So, in his work Waqiyat-e Mustaki Hussain Farmuli, the vessel of Saran and Champaran crossed the Gandak river and captured the king of Champaran in his fort. So, from these literary sources, we get the knowledge of this man. Okay, whose work is this? Riz Ullah Mustaki, and work was Waqiyat-e Mustaki Hussain Farmoli. And was the man? Saran, vessel of Saran. So we are moving further and see Jyotireshwar work Varna Ratnakar. This book gives a lively depiction of the society Mithila. As we know, Mithila is very important for Bihar art and culture. So here it is lively depiction. Suppose we want to watch cricket match, and the match is going on in a stadium, and we are so far from the stadium. So we just log in or download any application which live telecast broadcasting is going on. So we can watch the live telecast. It means the event is going some places, and we just look at some devices is known as live telecast. So here, just like live telecast, it is lively depiction. Now the next is, it is very important, Vidyapati. So according to Sahitya Academy, 1352 to 1448 AD, while according to NCERT it was 1380 to 1460 AD, as it is life tenure of Vidyapati. Also described the society. Vidyapati also depicted the life situation of society in his work. So according to NCERT, his life span is 1380 to 1460, or according to Sahitya Academy, it is 1352 to 1448. Vidyapati born in Bispi village of Darbhanga, now present Madhubani. Bispi is in now Madhubani. At that time it was in Darbhanga. Was a famous poet of Sringar Ras. So in Hindi Sahitya it is Sringar Ras. So he was very famous poet from the Sringar Ras. Mahakavi, it is also pronounced for Mahakavi Vidyapati, is one of the first poet of the Maithili language. So he was also considered as the first poet of Maithili language. So he was also one of the first poet. The Maithili Sahitya Parishad of Darbhanga has published the work of folk poet Daka and Gagha under the name of Maithili Daka. So Gagha and Daka is collection of so many Maithili Dakas. Now it describes the Aryans engaged in agriculture work in northern India. So northern India and northern Bihar Here Aryans came to Bihar in the Uttar Vedic era. Yes, Uttar Vedic era. So here they were engaged in agricultural work. In Mithilanchal, Dhaka is considered as the son of Brahma Mihira. So here Dhaka is considered as the son of Brahma Mihira. So Brahmihir was the father of Dhaka, who had the ability to predict the sign of nature, especially drought or floods. So he was very famous man, one who is able to predict the sign of nature. What is the sign of nature? What could be the future of the nature? So all these are at that time predicted by Dhaka. On occasion of Bihar's 160th Foundation Day on 22 March 2018, Vice President he was M. Venkaiah Naidu. Released books for focus on the life and thought of Mahatma Gandhi, including the novel of Neel Ke Dhage by Vindhyachal Prasad. So here the name Vindhyachal Prasad is very important because Neel Ke Dhage in Bihar, the first Satyagraha movement was initiated by Mahatma Gandhi in 1917 in West Champaran, and here the peasant were faced so many problems in their area. That was Neel Satyagraha. Now the next is Sadal Misra. Sadal Misra was the only teacher of Bihar who was selected for making books in native languages in Fort William College. So where is Fort William College? It is West Bengal. So here his work has been selected for what? The native language. The next is Hindi is the official language of Bihar, and Urdu was given as the status of second official language in year of 1980. So in year of 1980, the Hindi considered as first primary language of Bihar, while the Urdu is secondary language of Bihar. Guru Prasad Sen published the first English newspaper of Bihar, the Bihar Herald, in 1875. So the publisher name is Guru Prasad Sen, one who first newspaper of Bihar published, and the paper name was the Bihar Herald, and the year was 1875. In the same year 1875, Lala Lajpat Rai was born. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel was born. So here on 31st October 1875, Dr. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel was born. Why I am relating the other facts? Because when we connect to the event, then we easily memorize the things or recall the historical form of the data. The daily newspaper of Bihar is the Searchlight, played a major role in the major movement of Indian independence struggle such as civil disobedience movement. So searchlight is very important for the Indian independence struggle movement and the Quit India civil disobedience movement and Quit India movement. Bihar first Urdu newspaper was published from Ara. So here Ara is very famous place in Bihar from where Kunwar Singh was a leader, whose title was Nurul Anwar. So the first Urdu newspaper was published from Ara and whose title was Nurul Anwar. The Indian National was founded in year 1931 and the Indian nation was founded by Maharaja Kameshwar Singh of Darbhanga. So here 1931 is the year when the Indian nation was founded by Maharaja Kameshwar Singh and he was from Darbhanga. The first Hindi newspaper of Bihar was Bihar Bandhu. So here the first Hindi newspaper of Bihar was Bihar Bandhu, which was first published in 1872 AD. A weekly newspaper called Bihar Bandhu was brought out from Bihar Sharif with the help of Pandit Keshav Ram Bhatt and Pandit Madan Mohan Bhatt. It started publishing from Patna in 1874. So here the very important date is given as 1872 and 1874. So in 1872 the Bihar Bandhu was published. It was first Hindi newspaper, while here Bihar Bandhu was brought out from Bihar Sharif with the help of Pandit Keshav Ram Bhatt and Pandit Madan Mohan Bhatt, and it was started publishing from 1874. Now here some literature and their famous work. Okay guys, so the very first is Kautilya. Kautilya was the teacher of Chandragupta Maurya, and his famous work is Arthashastra. It is actually political book. Then Ashwaghosa, and he wrote Buddha Charitra. Aryabhatta, he wrote Aryabhatyam. Banbhatta, his work was Kadambari, Harshcharita and Chandi Satak. So these were work of Banbhatta. The next is Vidyapati. Padavali, Kirtilata, Kirtipataka. So these three books were written by Vidyapati, and these are Padavali, Kirtilata, Kirtipataka. Then Vatsyayan, here word is Kamsutra. It is Kamsutram also in Sanskrit language, Kamsutram. Then Mandan Misra, Brahma Siddhi, Vidhi Vivek. Nagarjuna, Paro is very famous book of Nagarjuna. And Batesh Sarnath is also. Devaki Nandan Khatri, here Chandrakanta Santati, Bhutnath, Naulakhahar. So all these are work of देवकी नंदन खत्री, चंद्रकांता संताति, भूतनाथ, नौलखा हार. Okay guys, and the next रामधारी सिंह दिनकर, उर्वशी, रेणुका, रश्मिरथी, परशुराम की प्रतीक्षा. Here the next is फणीश्वरनाथ रेणु, मैला आंचल, जुलूज, पलटू बाबू रोड, मारे गए गुलफाम, दिस इज तीसरी कसम, एंड दीर्घाटपा. द नेक्स्ट मैन इज बिहार हेराल्ड. Yes, he was the Keshav of Bihar. He was the Ratna of Bihar. Dr. Rajendra Prasad. He wrote India Divided in the Footsteps of Bapu, Satyagraha in Champaran. So all these notable work of Dr. Rajendra Prasad. The first, India Divided. The second, In the Footsteps of Bapu, and the next, Satyagraha in Champaran. Next is Shiv Sagar Misra. डूब जन्म आई. So here now important personalities. Yes, here the first man, and this is all about the ancient Bihar. Okay, the first man is Yajnavalkya. He was a sage from the Upanishad period. Yes, Upanishad period, and chief philosopher of the court of King Janaka. Composed Yajnavalkya Smriti. So as we know, in Satpat Brahmana, the Videh Raja was very important king of Mithila, Videh. So in the reign of Janak, it was the man Yajnavalkya, and his work is considered as Yajnavalkya Smriti. The next is Mahabir. Mahabir birth is 1599 BC and death is 599 BC and death is 527 BC. It is also considered 540 to 468 BC. The life span of Mahavir Swami. Yes guys, the real originator of Jainism. So he is the real founder of Jainism and was born in Kundgram near Vaishali and died in Pavapuri, that is near Rajgir. So he was born in Kundgram, which is near Vaishali, and died in Pavapuri, which is near Rajgir. The next man is Mahatma Buddha. Mahatma Buddha birth is in 563 BC in Lumbini. Lumbini is in Nepal, Kapilvastu, and death is in 483 BC. And it is Kushinagar. It is Kushinagar or Kushinara या Kasaiya Dham. Okay. He attained knowledge in Bodh Gaya. Yes. The next man is Bridratha, and he was the founder of Bridratha dynasty and oldest dynasty of Magad. So it was the first dynasty in Magad. Yes. Then Jivika. Jivika was the physician of the Hanakya dynasty in Magad. So he was the physician. Then it is Chanakya. It is Chanakya, the famous known as Vishnugupta and Kautilya also. Political guru of Chandragupta Maurya and author of Arthashastra. When Chandragupta Maurya playing a play known as Raj Killam, it is Raj Killam. So Guru Chanakya just watch the playing pattern of those boys who were playing Raj Killam. So he came closer and asked about the matter. He noticed the neat and fair nyaya of the child, and he just follow the rules to catch up the boy, and within some years now the boy has been changed into Chandragupta Maurya. The next one is Panini. Yes guys, it is Panini, famous grammarian, author of Ashtadhyayi. So here the book is Ashtadhyayi and he was famous grammarian. Next is Aryabhatta. It is Aryabhatta. Aryabhatta was born in 476 AD. So he was born in 476 AD in Khagol, and Khagol is in Patna, Bihar. Yes, in ancient Kusumpura, modern Patna. As we know, there are so many names of Bihar, Patna, like Patliputra, Kusumpura, Azimabad, and so many. So modern Patna was named after the man who was Sher Shah Suri. In 1541, he changed the name of Patliputra into Patna. At that time, it was very important for trading. So here Aryabhatta invented the decimal system. Yes. Next is Ashwaghosha, was a great playwright, philosopher, etc. So Ashwaghosha was a great playwright, one who writes so many dramas, and he was also a philosopher. Then Pushyamitra Shunga, he ruled Magadha for about 36 years and performed Ashwamedh Yajna. The next man is Banbhatta. Banbhatta, the famous Sanskrit poet Banbhatta, was a contemporary of Harshavardhana. So he was in the same era of Harshavardhana. In the 7th century, as we know, 647 was era of Harshavardhana when he died. Yes, he was born in town called Pritikut on the bank of Son river in Bihar. So Banbhatta born at the place Pritikut, is on the bank of Son river. Yes. Then next man is Santri Rakshita. It is Pala period when Buddhist scholar in 88th century was born. Acharya of Nalanda, Mahavihara, and promoted Buddhism in Tibet. So he was Acharya of Nalanda Mahavihara, and also he promoted the Buddhism in so many countries and even in the Tibet too. Then it is Mandan Mishra. The next man is Mandan Mishra. Mandan Mishra. In 9th century, the famous philosopher and scholar of Mithila did debate with Shankaracharya and Brahma Siddhi important composition. So Mandan Mishra in 9th century, he was a famous philosopher and scholar of Mithila, and he also debate with Shankaracharya. Here he composed Brahma Siddhi. Now it is Bachaspati Mishra, born in Garhi village of Madhubani, famous as Sadarsan Ballabh, and famous philosopher and the composition of Bhashya Bhamati. Bhashya Bhamati was composition of Bachaspati Mishra. Now we are going to discuss medieval period. Okay guys, the famous saint of Bihar was Sarfuddin Maneri. I think we should stop here. Okay, and we will see in the next class.